Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making strawberry lemon cake mix cookies. The ingredients that you're going to need today are 1 box of strawberry cake mix, 1 box of lemon cake mix, strawberry extract, lemon extract, 2 eggs at room temperature, 2 sticks of butter at room temperature. I'm using salted butter, and also confectioner's sugar and 1 lemon. Okay guys, we're going to need 2 separate bowls. We're going to start off with our strawberry cake mix. You want to add your 1 stick of butter at room temperature to your bowl. Then you want to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of the vanilla extract. Now you can go ahead, add your cake mix in. And also your 1 egg. You want to make sure that egg is also at room temperature. And all we're going to do now is go in and we're going to mix everything until it's well combined. Okay guys, so this is what it should look like. This is your cookie dough for the strawberry. Okay guys, now we're going to do our lemon cake mix. We're going to add our butter, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, we're going to add in our cake mix. And also our 1 egg. And we're going to mix that until it's well combined. Okay guys, so this is what the lemon cookie dough looks like. So in order to get your cake mix like this, all you want to do is start off with a spatula, and then you want to put rubber gloves on, and it's going to take a minute to form your cookie dough. You just keep mixing until it gets to that texture. So what I'm going to do right now is take an ice cream scooper, and we're going to scoop from each bowl, and we're going to roll it together. Okay guys, as you can see, I scooped out the strawberry and the lemon, and all we're going to do is combine them like that, and we're going to roll them together with our hands. And this is what it should look like when you're done. Now all you're going to do is repeat the process. Okay guys, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. To my cookie sheet, I lined it with parchment paper. And this is how our cookies are going to look. So we're going to put them in our oven and bake them for 10 to 12 minutes. Okay guys, this is what our cookies look like. Look how pretty they came out. So I'm going to let them cool off. Then I'm going to move them to a cooling rack. Okay, so I placed our cookies onto a cooling rack. I'm going to let them cool completely. Okay guys, while the cookies are cooling off, we're going to go ahead and make the glaze for them. I have 1 cup of confectioner sugar and 1 lemon. I'm going to juice my lemon, and we're going to need 2 tablespoons of that lemon juice. Okay, so I have my 2 tablespoons of my lemon juice. All I'm going to do now is add my confectioner sugar to a bowl and my lemon juice. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay, this is what your glaze should look like. So I got a piping bag, and I'm just going to add it to it. I just cut a little piece off the bottom. Okay guys, I'm just going to drizzle them over a few of our cookies. Okay guys, so here we have it, our strawberry lemon cake mix cookies. I'm going to go ahead and break one so I can show you guys how soft they are. You guys are going to love this, adults and kids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.